Good morning. Here's something I don't know where it's right or wrong, but I've done it before. Somewhere one time I seen on a can of Permatex it says to clean it with alcohol. And I got some alcohol. Anyhow, this can was, I don't know, it's probably 30 years old or better. Anyhow, it was getting all hard several years ago, and I got some alcohol and put in it, stirred it up, it's back like new again. Now it's down to about ain't much left. Down there at the bottom. Anyhow, I got me some more alcohol, and I'm going to thin it down and see whether it works. Alright, I'll get stirred up and we'll show you what I got left, if anything. Okay. Alright, I got started back on this today. I got that one head stud replaced there. Somebody just had a bolt in it, which didn't look too good. And I got the oil pan cleaned up out here someplace. I guess that looks about halfway decent. It had about a half-inch of mud in the bottom. Must have been a dirty old tractor. Well maintained and all that good stuff. Alright, some reason all this stuff I couldn't find a drain plug. I don't know what I done with it. So I had to go out there and get one out of another engine and put in it. Anyhow, I'm going to put this oil pan back on in a minute, and I'm going to use an old wrench that you don't see used very often anymore. An old speed wrench. Everybody nowadays uses air ratchets. Oh well, I could, but I ain't going to. I like the old hand stuff. Alright, that's all for now. Yeah, there's some of that rejuvenated Permatex. Looks like it might work. Well, I put the oil pan on. This worked out pretty good, except, I don't know, the ground's kind of dirty and soft, or hard. Oh well, here, I'll set the camera down. Yeah, so much for that. Yeah, looky there. There's always one, you gotta do it the hard way. I suppose I could have found a universal joint ratchet socket thing. Might have fit, but yeah, we'll get it here in a minute. Oh, there. See? Tightening a bolt with a wrench. I bet that's really exciting. But nobody ever seen that done before. Oh well. That's the way some of these YouTube videos are anyhow. That's just exactly right torque. Yeah, it's kind of dark, trying to put the head on. You think this will work? Got a ladder up the wall there, piece across, kind of a roller thing I made there a minute ago. Some blocks and a step ladder, and I don't know, it ain't too safe, but it ain't too safe trying to pick that thing up either. Alright, I'll get back to it. Oh, I got the oil pan on. Yeah. Wasn't nothing to it. So much for that. I'm tired. It's quitting time. Be back on this tomorrow. Might have it running next year, maybe. Yeah, back out here this morning working on the F20. First thing gotta do, gotta take down my ladders and my bar and my blocks and get that out of the way. And then I checked the can of Permatex, and it's kind of softened up pretty good, about like new. Anyhow, first thing I'm going to do today, just in case, that mouse decided to move back in, I'm going to scare him out. Well, I guess he didn't move back in, so we're probably alright. Alright, I better get back to work. I gotta... Look there, I got one of them things. I'm gonna try that today. Hadn't used it about 10 years. It said oil it daily. Well, I oiled it today. You reckon the last so many years will hurt not being oiled? Yeah, it's alright, I guess. And I don't know where it's necessary or not, but I'm going to fill them places where the oil dippers dipped oil. I'm going to fill them up, put oil in them, so that way it's got something to start with. Alright, that's enough for now. Yeah, I got the water manifold on finally. I had a gasket for it, but I could not find it nowhere. So I decided I'd use that there, silicone, this stuff. Everybody uses it, and I suppose it'll work. I hope I got enough on, but not too much to make it look bad. And just for the heck of it, yesterday I put that oil pan on with the old-fashioned speed wrench. So I thought I'd put the head down here with a modern day equipment. Well, I don't know whether it's worth the effort or not, but got 3-horse air compressor over there running, burning electricity, so I don't have to work so hard. Alright, I'll finish this up and get back to work at something else. Well, I gotta admit, it was a lot easier. Oh, yeah, maybe quicker till now. Alright, now I'll go find me a torque wrench and snug these down a little bit. That's all for now. Well, this is the way we torque the head down. I don't know. I got a snap-on dial type with an old folks extension. And we're going to go for about about 50 foot-pound there now. We'll do a round on that, and then we'll go a little higher later. I got them all down to 75 foot-pounds. That'll be good enough for now. I suppose if I get it running someday, and you're supposed to run it and check them after it's been heated up, and yeah, we'll do that later. Alright. Well, I got a little setback here. There's something down inside that hole on top of the cam fowler, tappet, whatever you call it, and making the push rod too long and holding the valve open. So I gotta figure out how to fix that. Later. Well, I'm ready to adjust the valves, but I took a little detour today. Something or another got down push rod hole on top there, and I tried everything to get it out, couldn't get it out. Things wouldn't fit right. So for a temporary fix, I shortened the push rod, an extra one, took about a ½ inch of it off, and I'll adjust up the valves, get it running, and whatever's got down there, and when it kind of works its way out of there and the valve starts getting out of adjustment, if it gets far enough, I'll adjust it up, and when it gets enough, then I'll put the right push rod back in, and we should be good to go later. Well, got it all back together now. Except that manifold didn't fix that. Found another just like it. Got the oil in it and everything back together. Oh, looks like that valve cover gasket's leaking a little. Oh well. Now I'm up to the point where it's just like another old tractor. It's stuck in the shed. The engine's not stuck. Carburetor probably needs worked on. The magneto needs worked on. The gas tank needs cleaned. And the steering shaft needs put back. So I'm just back to... I worked my way back up to an old tractor that needs worked on. Alright, that's enough for now.